is these days are the best days to get into the stock market. Look, I'm not a big fan of stock market. I actually hate stock market. A lot of people are saying that, a lot of people kind of like describe it as gambling. Some describe it as, actually as something that you can profit from on a regular basis. There are people who are making money out of it on a regular basis. But I just think stock market is something that's not my cup of tea. I rather build businesses from scratch and then capitalize on them and make money that way. However, I think if anybody is on the edge of investing in stocks, now is the best time, because there's a lot of companies they're selling for 10 cents a dollar. There's really good deals going on right now. Deals that will be very safe if you put your money on. However, it's not something that you're gonna put your money on today and take it out next month. It's something that it's an investment that has to be a long-term investment. For example, I bought few stocks in American Airlines, Spirit. I bought a few stocks in Lyft and Uber, and some oil companies. My portfolio currently is up by 15%, okay? 15%, it is pretty good, okay? I mean, don't get me wrong, if it wasn't for the prices they were selling at right now, I would have not got into I have not invested at all. It's just a steal. Even for an experienced trader or an experienced stock investor as myself, I was able to make money on it just because I use a simple business principles. They are cheap. There are services which are needed. There are companies which are kind of big and they still have some cash reserve. And they, especially for Uber, they have diversity of revenues. Okay, they are safer, I think, in a way than Lyft. Now, for airlines, we know they are vital to our lives. The government will not let those airlines fail. I would say get on them, get you some stocks out of those airlines. I'm not sponsored by any of those companies. This is just what I bought, and I'm not here trying to give you guys any investment advice on which stock to pick and whatnot. I just want you guys to use your own judgment. Stocks are cheap right now. Hop on them. Only put the money that you're willing to lose. It doesn't matter how cheap something could be. There's always risks, but just the risks right now are super low. The strategy that I've used is I bought a few when they were at a certain level, okay? And then I waited. So I bought when they were a certain price. I bought again when they were lower than that price. And then I'm just waiting again if it drops lower than that. If it does not, if it goes a little higher, I will still buy because I have like a cap on when I will not buy anymore. The reason I use that strategy is because I did not want to miss on the opportunity. I was thinking that maybe the stocks will go any lower. So if they're gonna go any lower, I will just invest 10% for whatever I was planning to invest, okay? So if it does not go any lower, if it goes higher, I will still make money. And if it does go lower than that, because that was my cap, then I'll go ahead and buy some more. So you can use the same thing. You can buy something right now, a few stocks, certain companies that we discussed, or and then wait for a few more days or a few more weeks to see where the market is going. If the lockdown extend this, we extend that another 30 days, 3 weeks, whatever. The companies obviously they're gonna go ahead and be in a they're gonna be in a worse position from where they're already at right now. So that will obviously send out the news to the market and it will be priced in and the market will drop. However, even if we open up the economy and then it fires back because there's no cure for this COVID-19 virus, it will again fire back. It's just not looking good this year for any companies. I mean, it's not looking like we're gonna get back to business as usual this on 2020. Maybe 2021 we're looking about something. Here's the thing: if we don't have the cure, business will never get back as usual. I don't want to talk politics. I don't want to talk, if that's right, if that's wrong. I will let you guys to make a decision upon that. I'm just here to talk the obvious and talk about what the people will react to what, and then how the stock market will react to the people, to the population, output. Make sure you subscribe, like. You don't have to share it if you don't have to. You can keep it for yourself. Some advice. It's kind of it's like gold, right? You don't want to share with everybody. I totally understand. But anyway, like the video because we want to make sure that a lot more people find this video and hopefully they can find it helpful. If you have some questions, send them down to me. I know I talk a little bit fast. I'm a New Yorker. We tend to be like, boom. I moved to Texas, Houston, can grab some of from those accents, kind of slow down the things. But I'm working on it. Like, subscribe, slap the bell. I'm becoming just like those, man. I hate saying it. But anyway, God, you know what I'm trying to say. Check it.